Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So most of yesterday was pretty much stuck in the middle of the range, as we explained. We had that triangle formation, and then sort of going into the close we had a pretty big sell-off, and we are busy right now sort of moving lower. So at the moment on the 8-hour trend is obviously still up, but we could be looking for a double bottom here, or this is a second move to the downside. We're going to obviously have to break below the low of last week for that to materialize, but that's kind of where we are at the moment. So I don't think there's really anything else we can see on the 3-hour. We've got the triangle break, got the break to the upside first, fake out, break to the downside, and then we sort of consolidate a little bit more and then continue down. So one of the great examples of why I'm not really a fan of trading triangles, triangle breakouts, because they tend to always come back. So they always tend to fake out and then go in the opposite direction. So better seen as always drawing in your range. So at the moment, is this breaking the range, or is it just making the range bigger? Are we looking for a second move? This magnet down here is definitely on offer right now, and that's this gap. So just keep that in the back of your mind. We're pretty close, so I would assume that that's going to close, probably close this morning. If it closes this morning, expect a little bit of a bounce back up, and then expect another move to the downside during the US Open. So we do have quite a bit of data coming out today and tomorrow, which could be the situation, but at the moment, as you can see, it does look like we have a trend reversal brewing. Now, I'm not entirely convinced of that just yet. We're going to have that on the larger time frames for me to be convinced. But at the moment, definitely on the smaller time frames, if you look at the structure, it does look like we have a series of lower lows and a series of lower highs that are forming. So we'll have to wait and see what transpires at the bottom here. Anyway, for today, I'm not really going to say short from this area. We want to be short from higher up. So look for structure higher up, and I think maybe just pick that up off the 3-hour here. So you can see there my levels. So my first level is here, 31316. Then I have 31250, and then I have 31171. So pullbacks into that area, then you are looking for shorts, but you're looking for basically 3100 or 30,950. There's nothing really else I can add to that. That is the situation at the moment. And again, be a little bit wary of selling right here at this level. You need to wait for structure, wait for a pullback up on structure, and then you'll be able to chase those shorts. Just bear in mind that we start dropping too far, the Feds are going to start jumping in. So, and the stimulus package is more than likely going to be released over the weekend, so just bear that in mind as well. Anyway, that's the structure at the moment. I'm kind of staying out of this while this chaos plays out for the rest of this week, so it's another week of no trading. There's one or two opportunities in the forex pairs, so be sure to watch that video and you'll see. I think that's where my focus is going to be. Leave indexes for a bit and watch a couple of forex pairs, which there should be some good opportunities today. Anyway, that's it for me at the moment on the Dow Jones, the US 30. Hope it helps you somewhat, but yeah, for me, I think those that know me already don't really like trading these ranges, and this here is just a recipe for a trap for anybody that's trying to short at the moment. So be careful, let it come back up. Take the short higher up where your risk is lower and off structure. Don't try jumping to the end of a trend here. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.